Welcome back to Coding Goblin, and specifically, welcome to
the Champ-UI-ons League.
Yes, that's right. The Champ-UI-ons League. Wow, I'm excited. Are you excited? You shouldn't be. I mean, you should be. The elite competition that sees the top Tailwind CSS UI component libraries compete against each other to be crowned the Champ-UI-ons League winners. Wow. Wow. It's the most prestigious event of the year. The most prestigious Tailwind CSS UI component library competition on the internet. Wow. Here's how it's going to work. I'm going to look at some Tailwind UI. Gotta stop saying Tailwind UI. I'm going to take a look at some Tailwind component libraries and I'm going to milk it for as many videos as possible. And then at the end of it, we're going to have the final league standings and crown the champion of the Champ-UI-ons League. It's so hard to not say the Champions League. So without any more waffling, let's get into it. First up is Mamba UI. Wow, that's a scary name. Mamba's a snake. Let's do it. Kickstart your next website in minutes. Browse free components. Free. We like that word. Oh, we also like compatible with Vue.js. That's good. Let's have a look at the components. Start at the beginning. Article. Okay, this is a good start. We have Vue as an option up here. Good start. Very good start, Mamba. Very good start indeed. Article. So this is like a blog section, an article section. Simple. Very simple. Let's see what happens if I do. Oh, that's much nicer. Okay. Yeah. Simple. Simple. Effective. Let's have a look at another one. Okay. Not bad at all. This is actually useful. As you may or may not know, I use Tailwind UI a lot, and I am a huge fan of Tailwind UI, but I do think it's missing certain components. Maybe this is one of those missing components. I like this. It's a bit different. I've not seen this sort of component before. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at something else. Weather. Okay, it's quite random, but I get it's a card, isn't it? It's a card with icons. Very specific. Weather. Probably a reason for that. People like to have weather widgets on their website, maybe. I want to look at a nav menu. Every website pretty much needs a nav menu. It's a good way of comparing these component libraries. Let's have a look and see if this works. It's quite nice though, isn't it? Is there not a nav bar? Sidebar. Okay. Am I okay? Menu. Did I search that? Let's see what header has, because that does come up. Okay, here we go. So yeah, they're nav menus. That's good. I like this. I like it. Colors. Ah. Okay, so does that change all the classes, I wonder? So what have we got here? Let's just click that on. So what classes do we have? Let's have a look. If I can see the word red anywhere, text red 600. So if I change that to blue classes. Okay, sky, that's why. So that's quite interesting. That's a different approach. Daisy UI has theming, and that involves putting your colors for primary, secondary, tertiary, whatever it may be, all the different colors in the config file. Whereas this, you select the theme that you want or the color that you want, and it will actually change the classes to be the corresponding Tailwind classes, which is actually pretty good because it keeps it Tailwind. So you don't have to mess around with custom classes. I'm not saying you have to mess around with that in Daisy UI, but Daisy UI does have quite a different approach. So that's actually really good. Let's have a look at templates, portfolio. How do I get rid of this thing? Don't know. We'll just leave it there. Okay. Simple. This is good, obviously, and better than anything I've ever made. But do you know what I think would make this better and look like a better example? If there was some continuity between these images. For example, this is a portfolio. It's a portfolio template. Yeah, portfolio. If you actually made this seem like a real portfolio. So instead of having a picture like that, well, that's actually really creepy. If you had images that were as if it was a portfolio, I think this would look a lot better and people could envision using it. Because with these random photos, it's quite hard to imagine how it's going to look. Just a bit of feedback. It's good still, but that's just my opinion, which you didn't ask for. Very interesting. That's Mamba UI. If you want to go and have a look for it yourself, I'm sure you're capable of using Google. You'll find it. MambaUI.com. I'm now going to rate Mamba UI using the internationally recognized website scoring system. So Mamba UI gets a score of 6 ferrets. Not bad, not bad. A respectable score, very respectable. I've had fun, you've definitely had fun. Play the theme tune.
The Champ-UI-ons League.